There are various number systems like decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. See, if a number is this is a number. I want to know this 7 is of which number system. I denote this by 10. If I write here 10, this means this 7 is of decimal number. This 10 is known as base of the number. If the base is 2, it is a binary number. For decimal, it is a 10. For octal, it should be 8. And for hexadecimal, there the base is 16. The number in decimal is from 0 to 9. In binary, the numbers are 0 to 1. In octal, the numbers are 0 to 7. And for hexadecimal, the numbers are from 0 to 9, A to F. That means from 0 to 0 to F are the numbers in hexadecimal. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. So these are different number system. Now we will see how these number systems are converted into other number system. How a number from one number system is converted into the other number system. Say a number 8 in decimal. I want to know its binary. What will I do? I will divide 8 by 2. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. I will write this in this way. So 8 in decimal is 1 0 0 in binary. Now let's say take in one more example. Say the number is 70. I want to know its binary. I will divide this by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 is remaining. 2 4s are 8. 0 remainder. 2 2s are 4. 0 remainder. 2 1s are 2. 0 remainder. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. So 17 in decimal is equal to 10001 in binary. So this is how we convert a decimal number into binary. Suppose a number is, here we take another example and we take the number 8.25. This is 8.25 in decimal. I want to know its binary. 8 के साथ हम डिवाइड करेंगे, जैसा कि हमने यहाँ पे किया बिल्कुल वैसे ही करेंगे. So for 8 in decimal is 1000 in binary. 0.25 को अलग से ट्रीट किया जाएगा. 0.25 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे by 2. The result will be 0.50. ये 0 को हम बाहर लिखेंगे. That 0 we will bring here. और 0.5 को हम फिर से 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इट विल बी 1.001 को बाहर ले लिया. Now I'll write this way. So 8.25 in decimal will be 1000.01 in binary. Let's see how to convert a decimal number into binary. In this case, the number will be divided by 8 and the remainder side में लिखते जाएंगे और at the end सारे remainder को एक साथ लिखेंगे and that will be the octal of that number. See, 75 is the number जिसको मुझे octal में convert करना है. This is a decimal number. Divided by 8. 8 9s are 72. 3 will be the remainder. Again 8 1s are 8. 1 will be the remainder. 8 zeros are 0. 1 is the remainder. So 75 in decimal is equal to 113 in octal. Let's take another number and this time the number is 43.3 here. 43 को हम 8 से divide करेंगे. 8 5s are 40. 3 will be the remainder. 8 zeros are 0. 5 will be the remainder. So 43 का octal equivalent हो जाएगा 53. Now 0.3 को हम multiply करेंगे 8 के साथ. It will be 2.4. 2 को हम इस तरफ लिख लेंगे. 0.4 को हम फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 8 के साथ. आंसर विल बी 3.2. 3 को इस तरफ लिख दिया. 0.2 को फर्दर मल्टीप्लाई किया. ऐसे करके हमें 4 प्लेसेस फ्रॉम द डेसिमल पॉइंट तक हमें काम करना है. सो 43 इज 53 and 0.3 is 0.2314. ये इधर हमें नीचे से ऊपर लिखना है. like 5 will come first and 3 will come later. लेकिन यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद हमें ऊपर से नीचे लिखना है like 2314. Now we will convert decimal number to hexadecimal. Our decimal number 33 is converted into hexadecimal. Dividing by 16. 16 2s are 32. 1 is remainder. 16 zeros are 0. 2 is remainder. So 33 in decimal is 21 in hexadecimal. Now let's take another example. 59 is the number which is in decimal. We want to convert this into hexadecimal. Dividing it by 16, the quotient will be 3 and remainder is 12. 12 is equivalent to C in hexadecimal. Now 16 zeros are 0. 3 will be the remainder. So 59 in decimal is 3C in hexadecimal. Let's convert binary to decimal. Now let's convert 10101 in binary into decimal. We will take 1 into, this is in the place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0, which is equal to, this is 16, this turns to be 0, this is 4, this again turns to be 0 and this is 1. So altogether it is 21. So 10101 in binary is 21 in decimal. So this is how we convert a binary into decimal. Let's take another example. 1101.011 in binary. Find its decimal. 1101 will be treated as we treated earlier. This is in 0 place, 1, 2 and 3. So 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1, that is 0, and 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this turns out to be 8, this is 4 and this is 1. So altogether it is 13 in decimal. Now we will see how to convert 0.011 into decimal. Now 0.011, 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. So this becomes 1 upon 4 and this becomes 1 upon 8. 0.25 is 1 upon 4 and 0.125 is 1 upon 8. Adding all the three, we get this. So 1101 becomes 13 and 0.11 becomes 375. So the answer is 13.375. Let's see how to convert octal to decimal. This is how we will write. The number is 33.12. Now 3 into this is 0 and this is 1, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. So 3 into 8 to the power 1 plus 3 into 8 to the power 0 plus 1 into 8 to the power minus 1 plus 2 into 8 to the power minus 2. The answer comes out to be this. So we can write 33.12 in octal is 27.15625 in decimal. How to convert hexadecimal to decimal, we will see now. Now 3A1.12 is the number and we want to convert this into decimal. 3 into 16 to the power 0 because this is in the 2's place, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So 16 to the power 2 plus A. Instead of A, I will A की जगह पे हम 10 लिखेंगे. तो A is replaced by 10 into 16 to the power 1 plus 1 into 16 to the power 0 plus 1 into 16 to the power minus 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power minus 2. So the calculation comes out to be this. So 3A1.12 is equal to 929.0664.